Hi. You too. We're getting off the ship today in the port of Lima, Peru. And actually the port is Callao or Callao. But getting on the shuttle bus to go to Miraflores, Guacamole Mall. Off the bus. Took us about 45 minutes driving. And then there's a lot of people selling tours here, and we're going on a tour in a few hours, and I think we're supposed to meet our tour bus across from Club Social Miraflores, which would be here. They've got a handy map here, try to show you where to go. So we're here, and we're going to walk up to Park Del More. I think the Inca market is up in this area. We're not going to go there today though. Alright, so we met up with Jessica to begin the rest of our day in Lima. Cannoli, Panaderia, and Pasteleria. Oh, and the cars are out. And we're still on the road. So this is Park de la Reserva. But she says they call it the Park of the Water. See it written there? This is our last stop till we get back. You know, to the mall. Hi. Boleteria. Tickets. Looks like it isn't very expensive anyway. 4 of their dollars is 1 of ours. So it says Circuito Magico del Agua. So Magic Circuit of Water. Or something like that. So there are little holes down there. A little hard to see in the dark. That's like a fuzzy looking. See it? Fountain has one of these signs, and this sign is a light fountain, or this fountain is light. Oh, I'm getting wet. Little carnival amusements here with Mickey and Woody. I wonder if they're paying royalties to Disney. Little bungee cord, playground. Food and drinks. Big slide. So we have one of those fountains you can run through. See? There's people out there. So apparently, if you stay on the dark parts, you don't get wet, or supposedly. But it looks very wet out there everywhere. I can't imagine those people are dry. Especially that one. So this one changes color, and it's a tunnel, I believe. Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm sure Janet's getting wet. Oh. Really wet. And we're out. You probably can't see me, but I'm pretty wet. Well, the light's changing just as we get in here. Oh, see, they're protecting it so people don't mess it up. It's an art installation. She said that's the fountain of the rainbow. Pretty cool. I've heard this is the Tunnel of Love. As you can see, there's like begonias on it. Hard to see once you're in the Tunnel of Love. This is some sort of pyramid. He wants us to get back to the other side for the show at 7:30. So we got to be over there in 10 minutes. Acu Fountain? And that's in English, so I don't know what it is. Oh, I guess that's his name. There's somebody on the computer in there too. Anyway. Oh, now it's starting to do something. See the guy on the horse there? I have a little car rental agency here. Coming up, I guess it's going to be our last fountain, although I see another one off in the distance. But apparently there's some show at 7:30, which is in about 3 minutes. Well, that's probably the biggest fountain, and there's a real tall white one. But the crowd seems to be out here. Red, white, and blue. Writing words. Oh yeah, it's just like you do. show was on. And then we saw these guys. Oh, excuse me. Rawr. And here's another fountain. That's the last of the fountains we're going to see today, I think. But here comes the train again. Quarries. Larcamar. And that was the last one to make it on the bus. So I'm sitting, well, shotgun, as we call it, on the bus. This is the door. We're bus number 8, Ocho. We're gonna have a fun ride back, fun ride. Ooh, there I am in the mirror. I love those. So we're driving on the freeway. That's the cliff. You probably can't tell, but you know, all the buildings are up on top of it, and on the other side is the ocean. Now we got a little tunnel here. There's the ship. And there. And there. And here's the ship here. Of course, we're here till tomorrow, so you know, I guess you can get on and get off all night. Like, see, they're getting off. They're going to party. Now, the problem here is that Janet's probably somewhere in the back of that bus, so now I gotta wait for her. It's windy here. Can you hear that wind noise? Anyway, here we are back. You know, why don't I just have a seat? And wait.